Conscientious objectors who refuse Korea's mandatory military service on grounds such as of religious faith under current law are subject to criminal punishment. The Constitutional Court will on Thursday hand down a ruling for the first time in 7 years to determine whether or not the current rule of punishing conscientious objectors violates the Constitution.
Baek Jong-geon, who is a lawyer, rejected mandatory military service over his religious faith. He served prison time for 1.5 years and was discharged last year. He could have served alternative military duty as a public law officer, but he chose prison.
저 같은 경우는 4주간 기초 군사훈련만 받으면 이제 군 문제가 종결되는 상황이었는데 딱 눈 감고 4주만 다녀오면 안 되냐라고 만류하셨던 분들도 많습니다.
He became a lawyer after witnessing his father serve time behind bars for the same reason when he was young. But at the moment, he is not technically a legitimate attorney. Under law, you can't register as a lawyer for 5 years after serving time. He works at a law firm, but his duties are limited to administrative affairs.
부디 저희를 감옥에 보내지 마시고 군복무 기간보다 더 긴 기간, 그리고 더 어려운 일을 통해서 저희가 국방의 의무를 성실하고 또 겸손하게 이행할 수 있는 기회를 꼭 주십시오.
Since Korea's independence, there have been over 19,000 conscientious objectors who received criminal penalties. But how society views these people is still not very favorable. The Constitutional Court will deliver its ruling Thursday afternoon for the first time in 7 years on whether a provision in the Military Service Act that holds conscientious objectors criminally accountable is against the Constitution.